today I'm going to tell you how you can send a greeting message to your clients through your WhatsApp business. First of all, install and make a business account. If you don't have any, you can see our previous video to how can you make a WhatsApp business account. Now open your WhatsApp business. Now after this, tap on this three little dots here and tap on settings. Now go to business tools and here you can see a greeting message. Now what you have to do is just turn it on here, and if you want to customize your greeting message, tap here on the pencil and you can edit it as you wish. It seems okay, so I will just keep it as it is, and you can tap on save. Now whenever somebody messages you at first, they will get a greeting message that you type here, and everything will go smooth. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.